Hi there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we've got another episode of Plating Like a Pro, and we're going to do an asparagus salad. Again, this is a nice, real simple asparagus salad. We've got some asparagus, a little boursin cheese. I've got a little endive, and some lemon. For the asparagus, all I've done is I've taken the asparagus, I just trimmed them up a little bit, trimmed the little woody ends off, a little oil, and actually I made a lemon-infused olive oil, so a little drizzle of that and just grilled them off. I just roast them in a hot cast iron pan because I like the color contrast on there. Real simple, about a minute, minute and a half, just enough to cook them about halfway through. You still want a nice little bite to them. So we've got that, and I think we're ready to get started. All right, so what we're going to do for these, we're going to do a couple different ways on them. So we're going to take some asparagus for the actual plate. So we're going to do maybe 6 of those, and we'll get them all the same size, because that's really important. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We'll even them up. We'll set those. We're going to take 1 or 2 of these, and we're going to just shave them. And I know this sounds weird, but it's really pretty at the end. And I've just got a little peeler that we're shaving with. And so we'll get some little asparagus shavings. Okay. And certainly you can still eat those, put them in a salad or a pasta afterwards. And then we're going to take a couple of these and just dice them up as well. And again, these are just going to be, so you've got asparagus 3 ways on this salad. All right. We've got that. Then we'll take some of our lemon, and I've got a little lemon, and got a little zester, so we're going to zest it, and we're going to get some little lemon curls. So I'm going to take these and just pull these. This will brighten the asparagus up. You'll get that real bright, crisp lemon flavor from that. Okay. And pinch off a little bit of our endive here. And I think we're just going to give that a little bit of a chop. And then I think we're ready to plate. So this plate, I've just got a nice simple plate, and what we're going to do, we're going to plate the asparagus, and I'm just going to go every other one. And again, the main thing on this, have some fun. Have some fun with it, and that's what it's really all about. Give it a little sprinkle with those. Maybe a couple little of those. A couple little leaves. We've got some of our lemon zest for the garnish. And then now it's time for the boursin cheese. And this, you're just going to do like a little quenelle or a little bite. I mean, you can do just a little spoonful or whatever. But if you take it and you just kind of roll it against the spoon, you'll get nice little football shape. There we go. And now we're going to take a little drizzle of the lemon oil. A little salt and pepper. And there we have it. Roasted asparagus, grilled asparagus, and boursin cheese salad, plated like a pro. Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and it helps. Thank you.